Now to the tough issue of drug overdoses spiking around the country during the pandemic in particular. More than 81,000 people have died from overdoses in just 1 year, according to the CDC. Deaths from opioids are up 38.4%. In Ohio, the mortality rate from opioid overdoses hit its highest point in a decade. Joining me now is NBC News correspondent Aaron Gilchrist in Portsmouth, Ohio. Aaron, you've been speaking to people there. What's being done to fight this epidemic?
Well, Andrea, state leaders and mental health experts here are raising a red flag about this issue. They say that we shouldn't let the pandemic make us forget about the epidemic, the opioid crisis that's existed for several years now, and that there is still help available. Ohio really, I think, is a microcosm of the bigger issue we're seeing nationwide. You noted that, Andrea. And what they're seeing here, particularly in this county, in Scioto County, this is where they've seen the highest rate of opioid deaths when they looked at a period of time right after the pandemic started. I had a chance to talk to one woman here, a widow, a mother of 2 young daughters, about the devastation that the overdose death of her husband has had on her family.
When I look at my girls, that's a whole different type of loss. I had never experienced pain except for when I see my girls cry out for their dad or grab a picture and hold it close to their heart, because that's the only way that they're going to get to feel him.
Courtney's husband died just a few weeks after the pandemic started here. Mental health experts say that there are still services available. Even though the pandemic protocols have forced a lot of people into isolation, there is still telehealth available. Insurance companies are making that easier to access. And small group services, Andrea, are starting to start back up all over the country.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.